Shenzhen GSL Energy established in 2006. Premier provider for LFP battery. 15,000 square meters automated plant in Hizhou. 1,400 square meters headquarter in Shenzhen. Having 200 plus skilled employees. 25 plus R&D team. Focusing on North America, Europe, South Africa, Asia, and Mid-East markets. Product certificates: UL 1973, UL 9540, IC 62619, CE, CB, and CEI 021, etc. Monthly production capacity reach up to 15,000 PCS. 10 kWh LFP batteries. Batteries can be compatible with main inverter brands, such as Schneider, SMA, Day, Solarc, Goodwood, Victron, Hoymiles, Solace, Growatt, Safar Solar, etc. Before shipping out from factory, all products must do sample testing and customs inspection. FOB, CIF, DDP door-to-door delivery etc. is fine for us. GSL Energy, waiting for your coming. We can amaze you in 1 minute.